In the world of today, global solidarity is essential to face the global challenges. Global challenges like the chaos of conflict and war, the polarizing impact of mis and disinformation, the industrial destruction of our livelihoods, and the increasing impact of climate change. All these challenges, however big they are, ask for global solidarity. A solidarity that is aware that our livelihoods are connected and that our lives depend on that of others. A solidarity that knows that what we do here can have consequences for our children and for people elsewhere. This makes actions that are rooted in global solidarity of great value. People joining forces with people around the world are the cornerstone of global solidarity. Actions linked to global challenges can make great differences. So clean up your local river and contribute to less plastic in the oceans. So reduce food waste and help prevent hunger. So isolate your house or cycle to work and reduce fossil fuel consumption. Make your own contribution, but as well make sure others know about it, because only as joint humanity we can make a difference. 20 years of Sloga is 20 years of working on global solidarity, but it does not imply anything is ready. It even seems the challenges in front of us get larger by the day. So there is much to be done and much global solidarity to be raised. Enabling local action in global solidarity is one of the things to be done, so supporting CSOs with all means available is the way to go. And therefore, as Wilde Ganzen, we wish you, Sloga, a happy anniversary and a long and fruitful life in global solidarity. Thank you very much. Congratulations.